Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. As you can see in this long wall of text, we have people exercising. So we've got 6 non-motorized machines, 8 treadmills. Each treadmill is 3.5 horsepower. The load factor is 80%, the efficiency is 78%. All 14 pieces of equipment are in continuous use. There are 2 people waiting, and there will be 1 piece of equipment in use. So basically it's 14 plus 1. They threw in that sneaky sentence right here. And the heat dissipation is 700 watts. Find the total heat transfer rate. So there's no free body diagram. We can skip step 1. Step 2, list all the given values. Find the total heat transfer rate. Step 3, the total heat transfer rate formula. So that is the heat transfer rate motors plus the heat transfer rate of people. Step 4, find the heat transfer rate formula. So that is the motor multiplied by the power of the motor. So number of motors multiplied by the power, multiplied by the load, multiplied by the usage. So they give us all of those. So step 5, just plug and play. So 8 motors multiplied by 3.5 horsepower multiplied by the conversion to watts, which is 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts multiplied by the load of 80% multiplied by the efficiency, which is 100 divided by 78%. That will give you 21,423.58 watts. Step 6, find the formula of the heat transfer rate for people. So it is the total amount of people multiplied by the heat dissipation. Step 7, find the heat transfer rate of the people. So 14 plus the 1 that is going to be in active use. They threw in that sneaky sentence. Multiplied by 700 watts. So that'll give you 10,500 watts. Step 8, find the total heat transfer rate. So you just add them together. So the people is found in step 7. And the motors is in step 5. So those are the transfer rates for the heat for both people and motors respectively. So you've got this one plus this one. So you get 31,923.58 watts for the total heat transfer rate. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow the instructions below. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Okay, click on the icon of snipping tool in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once you have it open, click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle. This is just an example to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button, snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.